Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Yes! Nag-makeup tayo. Hello guys! So, sinuot ko na guys. Sabi ko kay Tami, gusto kong magsuot ng, kapag dumating siya, diba? So, sinuot ko na itong nabili ko sa, sa Walmart. Katulad kay Lloydie, look. Mataas pala talaga siya. I mean, taga-tuhod. Nasa tuhod siya, look. But anyway, good morning everything, and naglagay din ako ng makeup konting makeup, and this time pataasin ko na itong buhok ko kasi gusto kong mataas yung buhok ko kasi I've been chopping my hair for a while now, so I want my hair back na andito kasi mataas talaga yung buhok ko noon, as in mataas. So guys, dahil hindi ko niloto itong chicken natin, it's been 2 days. So magluto tayo ng chicken soup. Hopefully makakain man si Tami nito kasi nag-try siya nito, nagustuhan niya. So yan. And so hopefully we have ginger, and I don't need an onion. What's in this one? Let's make chicken soup para for lunch. Kasi time check, 11:01 na kasi guys. And then si Tami, hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya makauwi. And I'm so glad na nag-cut ako ng grass kahapon. Kasi look, tignan nyo tong sa labas. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ulan. Ulan ng ulan. And then, yun, walang araw kasi maulan nga, diba? Oh, it's a kitten. Leave the cat alone. There is a kitten over there. What are you whining? You whine. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Wait. Wait, what's in there? Do you want to go get him? Do you want to get him? Do you want to go get the kitten? Oh, no. Don't scare the kitten. Adoy! Mailutuin muna natin kasi nagutom na ako, guys. Lagyan natin. Ang ano ko lang, hindi na ako maglagay ng onion. Diretso ginger na lang ito. And then chicken. And then sabaw. Kasi gutom na ako. And then si Roxy gutom na din. So lutuin lang natin ito. Hi guys! Kain tayo na. Nanood ako ng Housewife of New Jersey.
So happy to see you. Let's go outside. I want to show you that little area where I want to do the drag brunch. This is because with my lawsuit,
Sarap!
financial training,
Ang sarap.
I can pay my lawyers. A fantastic idea. I would love to throw another party with drag queens. Put a table here, and then the drag queens could perform over there.
Oh my God, ang sarap. Sarap ng anghang, sarap everything.
My friends over with their mothers. I'm going to do a Mother's Day brunch. A drag brunch. I hate that you're not in a good place with Teresa, so I really think that you got to do what feels right. But listen, you know I have a house in the Hamptons. Yes, I know. I was thinking all the girls should come out next weekend. I would like to invite Teresa, so I'm hoping you'd be okay with that. There's a lot of tension between Margaret and Teresa right now, but I'm finally getting along with Teresa and Dolores, but I wouldn't say that they truly understand the real Jackie. She is what she is. The house is regimented. Her parents have to call before they come over. We are not cut from that cloth. None of us. I feel like taking them to the Hamptons, they can really see me in my element, and we can try to really become closer friends.
Anyway, so ngayon po guys, I'm going to wash the dishes. Maghugas lang ako ng pinggan kasi ano, tawag nito, hindi ko nahugasan kanina. Alam nyo, ang sarap-sarap ng luto kong banana bread. As in, ang sarap guys. Yung moist niya is iba talaga this time. Ay, iba talaga this time. Iwan ko kung bakit iba. It's already 3:13. Wala pa dito si Mister. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yun pupunta dito. May ulan kasi din. So, kaya niyang binantayan din yung dismin doon sa isang bahay kasi alam niyo na. And then, yun yung tawagan ko nga siya. Kailangan ko pala siyang i-remind sa sa papel. Kailangan niyang asikasuhin. And hindi ako magluluto kasi ang kainin namin, chicken soup. Magluto na lang ako ng rice extra. So, yun. Gusto man din niya kami yung yung chicken soup. Gusto din niya. So, ang pangit talaga ng ngayon, yung panahon, sobrang maulan. Hi guys. Tommy is here. He just got here. Pero may kausap agad siya. Yung pinsan niya, kausap niya. Pero, right now, dadalhin ko lang yung mga natin sa labas. Diba meron tayong sa labas, yung mga mango or something. So, kailangan ko lang silang ipasok kasi yung kalamansi ko parang hindi nasayahan. Oh my God, not happy.
It's true. It's catch-22.
Yeah. Damn if you do, damn if you don't.
Sad.
They're tropical thing here. They're not like
Got these big ass freaking flower pots with plants in them. She's carried them in and out of the garage.
Well, you guys be good, and I will talk to Maryann.
Take the phone while I get the garbage.
Why you come here anyway?
So I get the garbage.
Anyway. Magtatanong pa talaga kung bakit pinasok ko. Ang ginaw. Yung kalamansi, hindi masaya. And then, ininit ko na yung ininit ko na itong chicken soup natin para mag-dinner. Kasi gutom na ako po. And the rice is cooked. Hala. Okay. Oh, yeah. And, alam nyo kung ano yung pinakamaganda talaga sa sabaw manok. Suka at sili. Oh my God. Good combination. And also yung barbecue. A very, very good combination. So, we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have leftover and rice and the thing. Tommy have to decide. I know he's gonna have some soup with me. Huwag mong ipasok yung sapatos mo, love. Basa man yun, love. Love. Basa man yun, baby. Basa. Every time na magsalita ako ng ganyan, yung dalawang aso, akala nila sila yung kausap ko. Yung parang binibaby ko yung dada nila. Akala nila sila, wigo sila, wigo. Hello guys. Oh my God. Misty, where's Dada? Every time I talk to you, baby talk, that's so the thing I'm talking to them. I don't like...
They like when you do that.
Huh?
They like when you do that.
Okay.
Where's Roxy outside?
Well, you're the... Okay, guys. Kain lang tayo, guys. Kain kami. Hi, baby. Hi, Rox. Remember, you got, what do you want with your plate? What's in there?
I don't know.
Department of Labor, huh?
Yes.
Did you even do it today?
No, because you said I took them to do it. No, it's Toyota. And
You always.
and I need to scan my license and crap.
Insulting hand with my soup, guys. That's why I don't really
Well,
move.
you don't like soup. You want
Okay,
pizza.
guys. This why I don't wear dress a lot, or I never wear dress.
Well, you're full of crap.
Every time, look, guys. See,
Every
that's
time.
my husband want to
Every-
see my ass,
go ahead.
and he do
Every
like this.
Every time. Go
No,
ahead.
because when we get married, the first thing you do, we're walking in there and people in there in the garden, and they do like, you go show my armpits, that you know this is the embarrassing part.
Kiddo? What's up, kiddos? No, that was Friday. Yeah, they came up last night.
I'm going to end the vlog, and Tommy is watching a black and white movie. And you know what's the title?
12 Angry Men.
12 Angry Men. So, anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog. We're gonna just... Anyway, say bye-bye.
Hi, guys.
And pumunta ako sa labas guys, ano siya, so maulan. And the rain never stop. The rain never stop the whole freaking day. So the whole day hindi nag-stop yung ulan. And then mahangin din, nahangin sa labas. And let me turn the light in the bedroom here. Nag-usap kami ng sister-in-law, may planong gusto niya akong sumama sa Sunday or Saturday. So let's see kung anong ganap. Isama ko din si Lloydie sana. But anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Good night.